The Estonian Reading Association was founded on May 9, 1992. We are members of the International Literacy Association and the Federation of European Literacy Associations. Based on the PISA tests, Estonian children's reading skills are at the top of Europe and the world. The reasons lie in child-centered early education, flexible curriculum, independence of schools and teachers in their choice of methodology, the general innovativeness and the overall digitalization of the country. International conferences have provided an opportunity for professional idea generation and exchange of specialists from around the world. We invite you to the 6th Baltic Sea Conference on Literacy. Literacy Environment, Environmental Literacy. October 4th to 7th, 2025, Tallinn, Estonia.